In the meantime, let's get a check of your local weather with our First Warn meteorologist, Eric Dean.
Good evening, Ken. Good evening, everybody. Hey, we are keeping an eye on another system that's going to push its way through mid to late week. There's a couple things that we know and a couple things that we don't know with this system. So let's go ahead and dive into the forecast. First of all, there's a look at CityCam. You can see we have mostly cloudy skies at this hour. That temperature is sitting at 37 degrees. Same story here at the TV station, but with the winds out of the north at 15 miles per hour and some places seeing gusts as high as 22 miles per hour. It feels like 28 degrees out there. That dew point is at 33. So with your temperature and your dew point that close together, look at our visibility. It's now at 6 miles. In Eau Claire, you have mostly cloudy skies. 37 is your ambient temperature. 30 is your feels like temperature. The winds are out of the north at 9 miles per hour. Across the Coulee region now, we have a clean sweep. Last hour, Juneau and Adams County was seeing a little bit of snow. That snow has now pushed its way over towards the Green Bay, the Sheboygan area. So right now we are going to stay with partly to mostly cloudy skies as we go into your evening and overnight hours. Here's a look at the weather in motion. First of all, there's that low pressure system. You can just see it right there just to the east of La Crosse. We're on the back end of this low pressure system, which is what's going to keep the winds out of the north and northwest for the evening going into the overnight hours. We will see a mild week in terms of temperature with highs staying in the upper 30s to low 40s. But this is the area that I'm going to keep an eye on as we go into Wednesday night, Thursday, and Friday, and we'll talk about that coming up in just a couple seconds. So when you wake up in the morning, temperatures in the 30s will greet you. 30 in Ladysmith, 31 Eau Claire, 33 Winona, 34 La Crosse, as well as Prairie du Chien. 35 will be the overnight low in Boscobel. For tomorrow, much like today, we'll see temperatures in the 30s and 40s, some places a degree or two cooler, especially from Eau Claire to Ladysmith. So let's talk about the second half of the work week. So here's what we know. The confidence is getting high for another mid to late week storm for Thursday night going into Friday. Here's what we don't know yet. The temperature profile, the timing, and where that low pressure is going to situate, because all three things are going to mean a big difference as to what happens. So right now, the thinking is a 20% chance for Wednesday night going into Thursday, and then Thursday night going into Friday is when we really start to ramp those snow chances across the area. But again, this is still a few days out, and there are still a lot of things that can change between now and then. So one thing that you need to do, make sure you have that free News 8000 First Warn weather app on your device as we go throughout the week as this system pushes through. So the details of the First Warn forecast for tonight will stay mostly cloudy. The wind will slowly calm down. We'll see overnight lows in the mid-20s with winds out of the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. As we head into your Tuesday, we'll see temperatures in the upper 20s, low 30s by 8 a.m. We'll go into the 40s by the noon hour. That trend will continue for the 4 o'clock hour. By the 6 o'clock hour, we'll see temperatures dropping into the upper 30s and then mid 30s by 8 p.m. That takes us into the next 8 days. 41 for Wednesday, 38 for Thursday, 36 for Friday, keeping that snow chance in the forecast. Keep an eye on Thursday and Friday on the 8-day. They're not alert days yet, but we may have to make those alert days. By Saturday we go to 36, Sunday we go to 36, and then we stay mostly cloudy to partly cloudy for Monday and Tuesday with highs staying in the mid-30s. So we had the snow last night and today. We're going to get a little bit of a lull, and then we're going to see another round come through late week.
All right. Thanks very much, Eric.
You bet.